So welcome, this is IBDP AAHL TZ2 paper 2 question number 7 for May-June 2022. Consider the vectors A and B. Vector A has been given as 12, -5, vector B as 15. Find the possible range of values of absolute value of A and B. So first of all, I'll find the absolute value of A, which is square root of 12 square plus -5 whole square, which is going to be 13. So the maximum value is going to be 15 plus 13, which is 28, and the minimum value is going to be 15 minus 13, which is 2. So what I can write, A plus B lies between 2 and 28. Given that vector P is A plus B and A plus B is minimum. Now A plus B has to be minimum, means B we cannot change, so B is equals to a negative multiple of A. It should be in the negative direction of unit vector A. So what it should be done? It should be negative. Absolute value of B is 15, that's why 15, and a unit vector of A in the direction of A is 1 upon 13, 12, -5. This should be B. Then only A and B will get what is this? A is in one direction and B is in the negative direction. Therefore, they get it out into the minimum value. So B is in the negative direction of unit vector A. This is going to be unit vector A. Now, what does that becomes now? Minus 15 by 13, 12, -5. This is going to be the answer for part B. Now I got the value of B as like this. Now A plus B. So what is P equals to nothing but what? A plus B. So A is 12, -5 plus B is -15 upon 13, 12, -5. So what does that becomes now? Minus 2 upon 13, 12, -5. 12, -5. This is the value of P. When you that's going to be the answer. You can simplify it or you can just leave it out over here. Next, part C. Consider the vector equation Q such that Q equals to x, y. Find the value of Q such that absolute value of Q equals to absolute value of B and Q is perpendicular to A. Q is going to be perpendicular to A. So for that, first of all, Q is perpendicular to 12, -5. What is perpendicular to -5? So it will be 5, 12. So that the dot product will be equals to 0. Now it should be in the direction of this one. So Q should be equals to some K times 5, 12. Now absolute value of Q, how much he has been given? He has been given as 15. So square root of 15K whole square plus 12K whole square equals to 15. So 225K square plus 144K square equals to 15. So from here, solve the value of K. Directly I'm writing it out. K value is 15 by 13. So what will be the value of Q now? 15 by 13 times 5, 12. You can leave it here or you can do 75 by 13 and 180 upon 13. This is going to be the final answer for question number 7.